Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this, then you know this is part of my pre-filmed series that I've got going on. I'm either currently curled up with my baby girl in my arms or I'm still pregnant like I am right now. Who really knows? But for today's video I thought I would show you 3 super fun hairstyles for the summer season. You guys have been really loving when I post more hairstyle tutorials, so I thought I would kind of keep up with that and try to post as many as I possibly can for you guys. These 3 hairstyles are perfect for the summer season or back to school, totally up to you. So let's get into them. So for the first hairstyle, we are going to create a half updo. So what I'm going to do is just section off the top half of my hair so that it's up and out of the way. And that's the hair that we're going to be working with. So I'm going to grab the remainder of the hair that I'm going to be leaving down and secure that in a ponytail so that it is out of the way. So working with the top half of my hair, I'm going to grab the 2 sections of the sides of my face and part that so that it is out of the way. And then I'm going to grab the back section and I'm going to create a Dutch braid. So to create a Dutch braid, you're going to separate your hair into 3 small sections, and then by crossing the outer strands under the middle strand, you're going to add in some hair from the sides as you're working your way down. So I do have a video on how you can create a Dutch braid, and it's slowed down and a little bit more in detail. So if you guys would like to check that out, I will have that link down below in the description box for you. So once your Dutch braid is created, you're going to secure that with an elastic band. And don't worry if your extensions are showing like mine. We're going to hide that in just a second. Then we're going to grab one of the side sections that we have left out, and I'm going to cross that under the ponytail Dutch braid that we created. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So just grabbing that side section and smoothing it out and then wrapping it around the ponytail. So here you're just going to want to play around with the hair, and again make sure that it's covering your extensions that we're showing, and then you're going to grab a hair tie and secure that in a little bun. And of course you can always tie this off with an accessory. You guys know I love using a scarf as an accessory, so I just took my little scarf and wrapped that around the little bun, and that is it. The next hairstyle is similar to the first hairstyle, but we're going to be creating a ponytail. So I'm going to grab the side sections of my hair and secure that out of the way. And again, I'm going to create a Dutch braid starting at the top of my head and working my way all the way down to the nape of my neck. So again, grabbing a small section of hair, breaking that up into 3 pieces, and then crossing the outer strands underneath the middle strand while adding in hair from the outside. You'll also see your extensions showing if you are wearing them like I am, but don't worry about that because again, we're going to cover that up in a second. Once you're done, you're going to secure that with a ponytail or an elastic band, whatever works for you. And I'm just going to go back in and fluff up that braid so it's a little bit thicker and more voluminous. And then I'm going to grab the outer sections of the hair and again cross that over the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. And then you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side, and then you're just going to play around with the hair to make sure that it is covering your extensions. And again, tie it off with an accessory if you would like to, or you can leave it as is. So I'm just going to keep playing around with my hair and make sure I cover up that weft that's showing at the top. And that is it. The next hairstyle is similar to the first and the second. We're going to be doing the exact same thing. So again, creating a half updo, but switching it up just a little bit. So I'm going to secure the bottom half of my hair out of the way. And then I'm going to brush some of my hair towards the back so that the braid can start a little bit closer to the front of my head. And I'm going to go ahead and create a Dutch braid. And once I reached about the back of my head or the middle of my head, I am going to secure my Dutch braid with an elastic band. And then I'm gonna grab the sides of my hair and pull that back towards the Dutch braid and create a fishtail braid with that as well. And of course I used a scarf to hide the elastic band where the Dutch braid meets the fishtail braid. But again, you can use any hair accessory you would like, or you can just wrap a piece of hair around that elastic band. And that is it. 3 fun hairstyles for the summer season. These hairstyles are a little tricky. Trust me, I needed to take a break throughout almost every single one of them because my arms hurt so much. But if you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below which one was your favorite. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.